Hello everyone, welcome back to Moja Handicrafts, and today we are going to learn these beautiful flowers, and these are made with a plastic sheet that is called shrink prink. These plastic sheets I got from crafterscorner.com, so you can always buy it from that online. And once you have the sheet, you can just cut out some designs to shrink. So these are called shrink prink plastic sheets. Okay, so I will leave the link in the description box. Once you have cut out the design, I have taken this design, a flower design and a heart design for my project. So let's begin. And after you cut it out, you have to color it with either with watercolors or soft pastels. So I am coloring it with watercolor pencils. After coloring it, I am going to wet my brush and then just spread the pencil marks. When you have to color, that time you have to take the sheet has got one side smooth and the other side is little rough. So for pencil coloring, you have to do it on the side which is rough and not the side which is smooth. Okay, once it is done, then we will be using our heat gun and shrinking it. So I'll just show you first how to do it with soft pastels also, because doing it with soft pastels is a little different technique. With the pencils, you have to spread it with water, basically wet brush, not water. But with pastels, what you have to do is same way on your cutout, you have to spread some color on the rough side, and then I generally spread the color with my fingers. So that is a easy job. Only thing is that your finger will turn into any color whichever you're using. Like I was using red, so it turned into red color, and unless you wash it with the soap water, it won't go. So you have to color it this way on the rough side with both the colors. Either it is pastel, soft pastels, or it is watercolor pencils. But before you shrink your design, you have to punch it with a punch machine. I mean, you have to make a hole into it, and then only you shrink it. That is my suggestion, because once it has been shrunk, but after shrinking the design, you won't be able to do anything because it converts into a very, very hard plastic. So see, I'm just spreading out. If you want, you can keep it lighter shade also. Just apply a little bit of soft pastels and with your finger spread it all over. You can do it in two shades also. In the center you do it red, and on the outer portion you can do it orange. See, I am just going to show you how to punch it. This is my single punch tool I have, and I've just punched a hole into that. This hole will help me hang my heart or connect my heart to whatever craft I am doing. And in that hole I have put my brush to hold the heart, and with this heat gun I am going to shrink the sheet, the design. So you have to keep the heat gun on first, and after few seconds you put it on your design. But remember that you have to move it around from all the directions so that it shrinks evenly. It should not be thick from one side and thin from other side. Till the time it is hot, I have taken my thicker brush and I am just trying to roll it on it so that it becomes straight. Because when you shrink it, it is going to twist and turn from various directions. So when it is hot, just roll your any stick you have, or you have a rolling pin, balun what we call it, that also would be fine. And as it dries very, very quickly, so you have to be very fast when it is hot. So this is another one which I did it with the pencil. So I will be showing you the results of how the pencil looks and how the a soft pastels look. This is the soft pastel side, and the color has come out little dark, and this is the watercolor pencil effect, and this is how it looks. So you can try it out, whichever color you are comfortable with. There is third option also of using permanent markers, but I don't want to use that. Whatever is available at home, generally I make it with that. These see, this flower is with soft pastel, and this purple flower is with color pencils, and these I have made so many in different colors. You can also make it that way, and you can make so many things out of it. See, I have stuck a crystal inside in the center, and I have used one a glitter powder. You get it in the same website, that you can always spread, and that's it, and it will be ready. So you can make so many designs with that. See, I have made these small, after stamping it I took out some designs, and these I will be using for keychains and for just for hanging in your bags. Generally small girls, they enjoy putting these in their bags, or even teenagers or any kind of that. You can also use these for making rings, for clips, for decorating your journals, and even some cartoons for decorating your kids books when we make another project. So these are the patterns, and stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be how to make pottery at home. So till then, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Bye.